Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about health and wellness. Today's topic is a crucial one, and that is quitting smoking. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable deaths globally, and it's never too late to quit. In this video, we will be discussing some tips and strategies that can help you quit smoking for good. Tip number 1, set a quit date. The first step towards quitting smoking is to set a quit date. Choose a date within the next 2 weeks and mark it on your calendar. This will give you enough time to prepare mentally and physically for the challenge ahead. Tip number 2, get rid of smoking-related items. Before your quit date, get rid of all smoking-related items like lighters, ashtrays, and cigarettes. This will help you avoid temptation when the urge to smoke arises. Tip number 3, identify your triggers. Identify your smoking triggers like certain times of the day or certain situations, and try to avoid them. For example, if you usually smoke after a meal, try going for a walk or engaging in a different activity after eating. Tip number 4, seek support. Quitting smoking can be challenging, so it's essential to seek support from family and friends or join a support group. You can also talk to your healthcare provider, who can provide you with resources and advice on quitting smoking. Tip number 5, find healthy alternatives. When you quit smoking, you may experience nicotine withdrawal symptoms like irritability, anxiety, and cravings. Find healthy alternatives like chewing gum, drinking water, or taking a brisk walk to help you cope with these symptoms. Tip number 6, celebrate milestones. Finally, celebrate milestones in your journey towards quitting smoking. Celebrate each day, week, and month that you remain smoke-free. This will help you stay motivated and on track towards your goal. Conclusion: quitting smoking is not easy, but it's achievable. By following these tips and strategies, you can quit smoking and improve your health and quality of life. Remember, the most important thing is to never give up and keep trying. Thanks you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative content.